Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the monthly chart of Carnival Corporation. Now there is a very big swing which is hidden inside this chart or inside this trend, but because of market condition you are not getting the full extent right now. But overall, if you understand the trend and if you look at the scenario, because this stock I specifically remember because I am covering it from after a long time, after a couple of months. But the industry in which the stock is trading, or the sector from which it belongs to, obviously has faced lots of problems in the past 2.5 years. Now in the next 2 or 3 years, this is going to be the revival phase, and stocks move higher with full potential in the revival phase, and not the maximum extent of gain you can probably see. So let's discuss about the primary phase, and I will then explain about the hidden trend or the long term trend as well. So you have three levels to look at, where you will start with your immediate support of 22.64, then you will have your next support of 19.6, and your final support or target at 17.23. So these are stop loss of 17.23. So these are the three most important level which you need to look at, and don't go below these three levels. That's the most important thing that you need to understand. Now let's understand the current range in between which the stock is trading. So if the stock continues to sustain above 22.64, which it is right now, in that case the two primary levels that we are looking at as far as the targets are concerned will start with 28.98. This is your primary target, and it can extend up to $35. Okay, so these are your two primary targets. Looking forward, beyond 35 or $36, we have couple of levels to look at. So beyond 35 or $36, what we have here are something like this. So beyond 35 and $36, we have your next target of 48.76, and then we will have a range which will be in between 55 and 59. So this is the basic range in between which the stock is trading, and it may extend up to a high of, now beyond 59, it may extend up to a high of the very recent high that the stock has made in the year 2018, which is 73 or 74. So this is the basic trend, out of which this beyond 59 till 73 or 74 is an extension, but the overall range is in between 17 and 59 or 60, beyond which this is an extension. So basically this is the trend that we should look at as far as the upcoming trend is concerned. But as I told you, this is not the big range. Now let me show it to you what the big range looks like, or what was your previous trend. For that, what I need to do, I simply need to draw a line like this, where you will have 1, 2 and 3 most important support level, and fourth time the stock holds for 1 or 2 months, and then it started falling in 2019 and 20. So this is the big range. This was your big range. Now if the stock, let's say, again started trading above 51 or $52, forget about 73. Okay, forget about 73 for 74. Let's say if the stock started trading above 55 and 59, these two levels, the stock technically entered into its old range. So this range has broken down in the year 2019, and if the stock again started moving above this line, practically it will entered into its old range, and your old range will get activated. When your old range get activated, so does your old target. So in that sense, the big target that we are going to look at here, so this is your old range. Okay, as you can see, this is your old range, and if there is a revival in this entire sector, you will see that the old range get activated. So beyond or above this line, if the stock started trading, the big target that we are looking at here will be in between 420 and $520. So this is the big target, or yeah, it's not 520, it is nearly $580. So this is what we are looking at as far as the long term trend is concerned. And if you are looking at the long term trend, this highlighted section is looks like an exaggeration on the false breakout, but once it started moving above 50 or $55, the old trend gets activated, and you know your target very well then. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.